Hey guys and welcome. So in this tutorial we're gonna look at how to load up a level using a UMG widget and go back to our last activated checkpoint, right? So to do this I got this level, a menu, and when I click new game it opens up level 1. So this is done through a widget and opens level 1 and then remove from parent, right? But we'd like to be able to do this using the continue and load up the last level in which the checkpoint actor was activated and loaded up at the appropriate location. Now, as far as the location is concerned, the checkpoint actor already saves that inside of the save game file, so you don't need to worry about the location or anything like that. What you need to tell the game is which level to load. So we have to find a way to tell the continue actor, or not the continue actor, but the button, that when you click it, it's going to open which level, right? So we're going to have to pass a variable. So let's go inside of our level 1, and we're going to create a new variable called, we'll call it map name, I guess. Yeah, map name makes sense. So we're going to go inside of the checkpoint. We're gonna make a new variable of, we'll say name string, I think. Yeah, name it, name. Is it? Yeah, it is name. I think string could work also, but map name. This is going to be exposed, and let's put it all the way at the top. So put the name of the level here must be accurate. So what this means is that it has to be the exact same name as the actual level. And map none level 1. Again, I think we're gonna make it so that it goes down to all subsequent actors. I mean, you don't need to do this next part, but as it is, you would have to go in and name all of the checkpoint actors in your level, which, you know, if you have a whole bunch it could be annoying. If you only have one, it's not a big deal. But just for the sake of the example, I'm going to show you guys how to pass it from the first to the others. So go back inside of the checkpoint actor, inside of the construction script. This is the sequence for the first actor, and this is the subsequent actor. So here, get all actors checkpoint. We're going to set from the array element. So this is, we'll call, I have to subsequent actors. These are them. So set map name, and we'll just pop it somewhere in here with all the others, and we'll just plug our map name in here. Now we're also going to use it down here, get map name, just so that if I change something on this actor, then it's going to get constructed and it's going to apply to this one also. Anyway, so they both do it. So I get this, and now I'm setting it here. Right, this one was set from the other one, and this one, yeah. And again, the map name, map name, we'll plug it here. Doesn't really matter where you plug it. So now, if I change, let's say level 2, then they should all update. See level 2. So that way you don't have to name them all. Just an easier way. So anyways, level 1. This is my level 1. Okay, so next we need to go inside of the blueprint, checkpoint save, and we need to create a new variable here of string also. We can call it map name also. Now back inside of the checkpoint actor, it's a little bit confusing back and forth, but the checkpoint actor needs a variable type name, map name, same thing as a checkpoint basically. And then you're going to go inside of the function library. The easiest way to do this is to double click inside the checkpoint actor on save checkpoint, this node, which is up 3 times. Actually, you guys don't have this yet, but I've added the multiplayer function to, or multiplayer support. Should be up and soon. Okay, so now we need to pass map name from the checkpoint actor to the save class. So we're going to click on save checkpoint, and we're going to click new. So it's going to be a name and map name. Okay, and then from this guy, save game ref, you can pull out, this is a reference of the save game object basically. You can pull out here and set map name, which is the variable inside of the save game object. So again, you can plug this anywhere as long as it's before the save game slot. Plug this here. Oh, map name. And actually, I should have told you guys to do this before, but oh, whoops. Go back in the checkpoint actor, and now you actually have to plug. Well, you couldn't have done it before, that's true. Anyway, so now we have to plug this basically everywhere that has one. I think it's going to give an error otherwise. No. Well, you don't have to plug it anywhere, everywhere then, just the one that you're using. In our case, we're using the capsule component, so I would just plug it here at the bottom one. But I'll just plug it everywhere just in case. Maybe on another level I'll use the box component or a sphere component, I don't know. Maybe my checkpoint actor looks differently. A lot of people are talking about the visuals while I'm here, you know. Oh, there's a green circles, and that's the checkpoint actor, you know. And you know, I really want to try to break this misconception. The checkpoint actor, basically, this is just an actor that you can overlap and pass information, right? The checkpoint actor is the function library. That's where all the stuff is. This checkpoint actor is completely temporary, alright? When I started building this, here, I'll show you guys. My checkpoint actor looked like this. It'll take a second to load up. And you know, hopefully I don't get sued for doing this. It'll just be like a flash of a second, nobody will see. But anyways, this is how my checkpoint actor looked, okay? And the only thing that got overlapped was this little bar. So when you play, I can actually walk through this, and actually my checkpoint actor was already activated. So I'll unactivate it, and what? Why is it not it's not working. Well, this was an older version, so maybe there's some weird stuff. Anyway, so basically I would activate this bar. Oh, it's because I can't see it. Oh yeah, because it's in front of the white cloud. I remember. My bad. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I can walk through my actor. This is the same checkpoint actors as you guys, and I'm overlapping the box component. So instead of using the capsule, I'm using the box collision. But I resized it so that it was this tiny little thing. And then, let's go inside. This is totally off topic, but we're going to hide this guy. So there you go. This is the exact same thing. Okay? Then this guy. Again, we're going to hide this visible. And so you can add whatever you want. Just go here and add static mesh, and we'll call it temp, and we'll say that this has, I don't have any static meshes in here. Great. Well, you know, I can't exemplify, but anyways, this is just a visual sphere that I put in the for the time being. And a lot of people ask me, well, how do I make it invisible? So the easiest way to do this is to scroll down and actually click hidden in game. Okay, alternatively to checking hidden in game, you can simply delete it. The only other place that this is being referenced, I think, just to make sure, this is a useful tool. It's called temp visual. I think it's only one place. Yeah, it's over here. Okay, so basically you can also just go ahead and delete it. It's gonna delete the parts on the graph, and you should be good to go with that. If you absolutely don't want it, just go ahead and delete it. Alright, but like I said, you can also make something really cool with it. And this doesn't have to be just one thing that you go over. This could be an entire room where when you're inside of the room, you can save your location, use kind of like a save station, right? So this doesn't have to be just kind of a billboard thing. It could be a really big structure that you can actually walk inside, and that there's a trigger component is really big, and that you can be inside of the room activating this. I guess this would be more for a 3D project. Anyway, so let's go back to our project. We've diverted enough. So now that we're saving, we've saved the map name, we're gonna have to go and load it. So again, going inside of our function library, which is already open, or double click here, load checkpoint. Actually, my bad, we don't need to do anything here. We are saving the map name, so I think we're done basically for this part. What we need now is to go back in our menu. Where is it? Menu, widget, and okay, so we're gonna go to graph, and now we needed to open the level that is inside of the game slot file. So game save. Save game slot. Does save game exist? This is what you want. Okay, and as far as the slot name goes, basically this is where you would set that all up inside of the menu right at the start of the game. When you start a brand new game, you're gonna save the slot name. So does save game exist? And when you're unsure, always use references. I constantly look at some of the Epic references and stuff. I constantly look at my own references. How do I do stuff? So, okay, does game slot exist? Yes, so after that you're going to load it. Load game slot. Game 1. We're gonna get the map. Wait, what? Oh, I need to cast because I don't have a reference yet. This is get map name. Okay. Actually, before starting, when we click new game, we kind of want it to reset, so we're gonna have a delete game slot if does save game exist. That's true, I kind of have to use the branch, huh? Kind of forgot about that. Same for here. So this one, if it doesn't exist, and don't do anything. This one is going to do the same thing in both cases. Well, no. In one case, it's going to load the level, and the other is going to delete the game slot. So, delete. What was it? Save game slot. Wait, I don't remember. Delete Oh, delete gaming slot. There we go. Game 1. True if a file was actually able to be deleted. Okay. Well, I mean, either way, I'm gonna open the level. Level 1. Delete. So, does save game exist? And then don't do anything. Yeah, this should be good. Game 1, level 1. Okay, let's say new game. We're in level 1. Checkpoint actor, we're gonna die. Continue. Level 1. Now, okay, I clicked new game and got reset. I activated a checkpoint, but now let's go to next level. So now we're in level 2. I'm gonna activate checkpoint actor 2 for fun. I'm gonna die, continue, and now we're in checkpoint actor 2 of level 2. And we can restart the game. Level 1, yay. So there you go. Anyways, hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next videos. Take care.